Hi everyone, please take note of the following disclaimer. Please note that this video is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Hello everyone, super excited because finally our ultimate DIY investing package version 7 is out, our flagship digital product, and also our other digital product, the ultimate covered call investing guide version 2 is also out. So in this video, everyone, I'm going to run you through the two digital products. Before you buy anything, I'm going to run you through them so you'll actually know exactly what you're buying if you are interested. Very important, I'm going to do a distinction, or I'm going to tell you that what the difference is between the two digital products so you understand exactly which one might be for you. And after I do that, I'm going to show you, the pricing, how to buy it, how to access it, etc., etc., etc. And the first thing I will tell you, and this is my personal favorite feature, in case you bought a previous version of any other product, it's available for you to download finally on our website. Just log into your account. You'll be able to download the latest version free, because one of the best features about both these products is that you only ever have to buy them one time, because they come with lifetime updates. I repeat, they come with lifetime updates. So you only have to purchase it once and you have access to all the new versions that come out in the future. Really good deal, right? So let's go through the flagship product, the ultimate DIY investing package, which is now on version 7. This is the landing page. You have the glossary, if you will, or the index. This is really the full product here. Let's go through the tabs at the bottom, the Excel or spreadsheet tabs. And again, guys, if you want to know how to access it, where to buy it, etc., etc., that's going to be at the later on in the video. And you could use the YouTube chapters to see which part of the information about these products you want to get to. So let's go through the ultimate DIY investing package version 7. This is your landing page where you have the links to all the different tabs that you could access very quickly, just to give you a broad-based overview of the product. First tab is the knowledge base. So Erica worked really hard on this one. You have terminologies, you have a step-by-step beginner guide, really everything, more designed for a newer investor. If you scroll down, you have all kinds of links to useful links and tools. On the Canadian side, on the American side, you scroll down, different apps as well that could help you on your journey as well. So there's all kinds of good information here. Erica did a fantastic job. Moving on to tab number 1, the Canadian sample portfolios. I love this tab. These are the Canadian sample portfolios, and there's US sample portfolios as well. What I mean by Canadian is these are going to be ETFs or funds listed on the Canadian stock market. US means obviously on the US stock market, right? So this product is not just designed for covered call or income investors. It's designed for every investor. In my personal opinion, there's three types of investors, right? Growth investor, dividend investor, and pretty much what I do, income investor. So you have different portfolio samples to help you get started, to give you some inspiration, to give you some ideas. That's what these portfolio samples are designed to do. So you see that the first one is income. You have a little blurb on what it's designed for. You have the percentages, you have the stock symbols, the names. You even have a column of alternative options. The symbols have hyperlinks. You could click, it'll bring you to the fund manager's website right away. Fund details. Really, these are what I feel are good, maybe starter portfolios or things to consider. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just to help you get started, to give you some inspiration. So portfolio number 1 is income. You have a streamlined version of it. You have a low volatility income portfolio. There's about 10 of them. I could scroll down and show you. There's a whole bunch of them. There's about 10 of them. So it takes care of income streamlined. There's growth, there's aggressive growth, there's maximum income or more aggressive income, there's dividend, there's even one called mixed strategies, where if you're really new and you're trying to decide which strategies you don't know which one to choose, there's sample portfolios that have mixed strategies that mix dividend, income, and growth. Really, really cool, guys. Portfolio samples. This is the most fun I have for sure in this product. And of course, with all the new great ETFs that have come out, all the portfolio samples were refreshed. Tab number 2 is the covered call ETF guide. So this is all the ones in Canada, obviously, because it's the Canadian covered call ETF guide. So all you have here is really a list, maybe not all of them, but most of them, of all the covered call ETFs listed in Canada. And you could sort them out. So I've sorted them. You could use the filters to sort however you want via either an index or a sector. Which region the ETF covers. Does it cover US stocks, international stocks, Canadian stocks, etc.? Who's the manager? You could sort by manager, right? Evolve or Hamilton or whatever. ETF name, the stock symbol with the link to bring you to the fund manager's website to do quick research on it. Is it leverage? Yes or no? What is the management fees? What is the dividend payout? The frequency? Does it have consistent dividends? This is my opinion, but is it consistent, or are the dividends all over the place? And this is where it's going to be very different from. This is the kind of thing where you don't get off of, free internet sites when you're researching cover call ETFs. What is the actual option strategy? So these 3 last columns is where I put the most work, obviously. Is it an active strategy, a passive strategy? What is the moneyness of the options typically? What is the portfolio coverage? So this is really going to give you some details on the option strategy of the cover call ETF. Then I also add another column called is Q&A video on our channel, Passive Income Investing. Is there a Q&A video with the fund manager talking about this or whatever particular ETF? Is there a video? And if it says why, you click on the why and it'll bring you to the video. So it's extremely cool, guys. Really, if you want to focus on covered call ETFs only, this is definitely the tab for you. So that's 1 and 2. Of course, 3 and 4 is going to be the exact same thing, but on the US stock market side. So you have US sample portfolios, and again, not just for income, for cover call, but also for growth, for dividend, mixed strategies, etc. You also have the US covered call ETF guide as well. If you just want the information on the covered call ETFs, do a quick research here and sorting as well with the filters. And it doesn't end here. You also have tab number 5, which has now approximately 500 ETFs. This is kind of like a glossary and ETFs list of ETFs listed in Canada and the US. And again, you could use the filter to really filter what you're looking for, right? If US listed stock, if it's listed on the American stock market, you want to make sure the yes is checked and the N is unchecked. So you got to use the Excel filters to really filter. But this is kind of like a universal ETF list. Of course, not all of them are going to be there, guys, but a lot of the ones I feel are really important. But you have the growth ones, you got a lot, Vanguard ones are there. You have income ones, you have dividend ones. And again, you need to use the filters. This is kind of like if you're searching for an ETF. Does it have a cover call strategy? Yes or no? Dividend payout, you could sort by sector, by region, if it follows or tracks a major index. And this column is pretty cool. Like I said, I feel like there's really 3 ways to invest: growth, income, or dividend, and then income, right? So growth, pure income, and then income and growth, which I refer here to as dividend or dividend stock. So if you're looking for only ETFs that have to do with dividend stocks, you make sure this is turned on to yes, and you put the other ones to no. So it's very easy to sort if you're looking for a growth ETF, an income ETF, or a dividend ETF. And then my personal comments here on each one of these ETFs, just to give you a little summary of what it is. And I also have one called funds to consider in each category, in my opinion. So if I feel like an ETF is really good for a specific reason, I'll put a why here and I'll even put the reason. So think of it like a universal ETF list. I also have tabs for closed-end funds. I didn't really update this, but there's, about 90, 100 closed-end funds here to quickly do research, mostly in the US. They're very popular in the US. In Canada, what's the popular closed-end funds are the split funds. So I actually have a split fund tab, which covers all the split funds in Canada. You could do research on those. I have portfolio templates as well to track your portfolio. I have 2 versions. I'm using this version, but you can modify it, but this gives you, if you want to track your portfolio manually. Tab 9 is a brokers list. Erica worked on this. You have the major brokers, if they have a tutorial video, links, really amazing stuff here. Wow, look at all this information here. related to each broker. I mean, this is incredible information. And you also have two bonus tabs, 10 and 11, which are a list of the top performing ETFs in Canada, in the US in 2025 year to date. So this is really our flagship product, everyone. I love there's a lot of work that went into it. It's really amazing. It's updated. And again, if you already purchased a prior version, all you have to do is go log into your account, download it absolutely free, because they come with lifetime updates. So what about our secondary product, the one that's less expensive, the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide? What is the difference between the flagship product, right, the Ultimate DIY Investing Package? What is the difference versus the Ultimate Covered Call Guide, the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide? Well, very important to understand that the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide version 2 is already included in the flagship product in tab number 2 and 4. So remember, tab 2 is just the list of covered call ETFs in Canada, all the research and all the sorting you could do. And tab 4 is not necessarily all of them, but I think most of them are there. All the covered call ETFs, specifically covered call ETFs in the US. Well, I designed the secondary product, the Ultimate Covered Call Guide, if you really, all you want are the lists of covered call ETFs. You're not interested in all the other tabs, for example, in the full product, the DIY Investing Package. You don't care about the ETFs list, the general ETF list, or the broker list, or the templates, or the knowledge base, or the portfolio samples. You're just like, Adrian, I don't care about that. I want all the list of all the covered call ETFs in your research, so I could sort. I just want to invest in covered call ETFs, and I want to know all of them in Canada, in the US. So if that's all you want, then you would go for the less expensive Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide. But of course, both of them come with lifetime updates. Again, I repeat, both of them come with lifetime updates. You only have to purchase them once. And the flagship product includes already the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide, right, via those two tabs, tab number 2 and 4. So essentially, the smaller product is basically tabs 2 and 4 of the Ultimate DIY Investing Package flagship product, right? So hopefully that makes sense. Again, you just want the covered call ETFs and nothing else. That's the product you would go for. Now, where do you get it? How much does it cost? How do you open it? How do you access it? Let's do that right now together. All right, everyone, to purchase one of the two digital products, you need to go on our website, passiveincomeinvesting.ca. That's passiveincomeinvesting.ca. When you're on the homepage, which is what you're looking at, you got to click on My Account. So you need to create an account. Very, very easy and simple and quick to do it. So once you created that account, you need to click on right here, digital products. When you click on digital products, you'll see the two digital products right here. So the price for the Ultimate DIY package is $149 Canadian. That's $149 Canadian. And the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide is $89 Canadian. And just a reminder that the Ultimate DIY package already includes the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide. And again, don't forget, guys, these purchases come with lifetime updates. Our intention is to do at least one annual update for each product, so you only ever have to pay for it once. So once you selected the one that you want, you just click on it and you go through the process. Everyone's bought something online, add to cart, next, very easy. The payment is done via credit card only. That's via the Stripe system. I have the Stripe system, so it's very, very safe and secure. Credit card only. So once you purchase the product, you want to download it, and you could log into your account and download it as many times as you want. And by the way, if you've already purchased a previous version of the product, you have access to it for free. All you have to do is go back to your account, click on My Account, and you could download the product when you click on download. So My Account, then you click on downloads right here on the left, and you'll be able to download the digital product. Now, these are spreadsheet files. We did create these products in Microsoft Excel. So you could, if you didn't know, there's a free online Excel. Just Google Excel free online. You'll be able to access Excel online for free. Or if you have a Google account, Google also has a Sheets application you could use. So once you're logged into your Google account here, on the right, you need to access the Google Apps. Scroll down and there's going to be one app called Sheets. So we did design it in Excel, so it is better that you open it in Excel, but Sheets also works. The links work, etc. So there you have it, everyone. Passiveincomeinvesting.ca. Create an account or log back into your account to re-download them, and it's digital products. That is how you purchase the products. Thank you very much. Take care, guys. See you next time.